For some people, it is such a miracle that adult social care will fund anything in their life on top of the benefit system, that they will simply take whatever money is given to them and be grateful for it. But for other people, the problem is when it's not enough, people fear that if they ask for more, what they've been given will be removed from them. It's very hard for such people to be legally assertive or, dare I say it, stroppy. I don't believe in a culture of he who shouts loudest should get the most. So my thinking when the latest round of austerity cuts hit the sector was that if ordinary people that need the rights to be delivered could become more legally literate at a very cheap rate, then local authorities would ultimately have no option but to comply with the Care Act. That would mean everybody could win. Social workers could do the job that they felt that they had a calling for without bankrupting their own employers, because they would know when they could lawfully say no and when they had to say yes. But ordinary people and providers would benefit from a cleaner, more principled approach to day-to-day decision making. My name is Belinda. I run Care and Health Law, and it's a company that provides training about the adult social services legal framework, mainly in England. My main offering is webinars, which run interactively once a month.
If you dig deeper into the Act and you look for the section on the personal budget itself to see...
The webinar is a live lecture. It's a bit like a broadcast. All you need is a computer, a laptop or a desktop, even something like an iPad, and you need the internet. In the basic series, I cover everything from advice and information and prevention and reduction of need through assessment, eligibility, care planning, commissioning, safeguarding, choice of accommodation and top-ups. And in the specialist series, I look at continuing healthcare, no recourse to public funds clients, the interface between homelessness and social care law, and an update once a year on the Mental Capacity Act and all of the litigation that's coming out of the Court of Protection. My information gives people the right words to say. Just knowing where one is in what might seem like a maze is remarkably helpful to people. They don't need to be turned into lawyers in order to assert their rights. If you want to ask questions during the webinar, you can speak back to me, the lecturer, if you've got a microphone on your device. But most people prefer to type their questions because that enables them to think about the way they want to word them, and it's also more anonymous for them. For individuals, the webinars start as low as £10 for a 2-hour session. The organisational rate allows a large local authority or a large provider or even a university to provide the recordings to all of the staff or the students for a global rate of £1,750 plus VAT for 36 hours of material, 18 webinars, 12 basic and 6 specialist webinars over the course of the year, 2 hours each. I record the webinars and therefore I can provide people with a link to the recording afterwards. You get the already delivered webinars in the form of a recording whenever you buy the set. I want to make more people aware of why legal literacy is really important for them.